Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question on motion of a particle in a vertical circle. The question is as follows. A particle of mass 1 kg is tied at the end of a string of length 10 by 3 meters. It is rotated in a vertical plane as shown in the figure. If the ratio of maximum to minimum tension in the string is 4, the speed of the particle at the highest point is. The options are 20 meters per second, 10 root 3 meters per second, 10 meters per second, and 5 root 2 meters per second. Now for the answer. It is given that the radius of the circular path r is equal to 10 by 3 meters and mass of the particle m is equal to 1 kg. When the particle is at the lowest point A, as shown in the figure, let the tension in the string is equal to T1, which acts upwards. If the speed of the particle at A is equal to V1, then the centripetal force is given by F1 is equal to mv1 square by r, which acts in the upward direction. The weight of the particle W is equal to mg, which acts in the downward direction. The necessary centripetal force has to be provided by T1 and W. Therefore, we get F1 is equal to T1 minus W, which implies T1 is equal to F1 plus W, which is equal to mv1 square by r plus mg. Similarly, when the particle is at the highest point B, as shown in the figure, tension in the string is T2, which acts in the downward direction. If the speed of the particle at B is equal to V2, then the centripetal force is given by F2 is equal to mv2 square by r, which acts in the downward direction. The centripetal force has to be provided by tension T2 and weight W. Therefore, we have F2 is equal to T2 plus W, which implies T2 is equal to F2 minus W, which is equal to mv2 square by r minus mg. It is given that T1 is equal to 4T2, which implies mv1 square by r plus mg is equal to 4 into mv2 square by r minus mg. Multiplying both sides by r, we get mv1 square plus mgr is equal to 4 into mv2 square minus mgr. Putting m is equal to 1, we get v1 square plus gr is equal to 4v2 square minus 4gr. Putting v1 square is equal to v2 square plus 4gr and simplifying, we get 3v2 square is equal to 9gr, which gives v2 is equal to root over 3gr, which is equal to 10 meters per second, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is C. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.